कौन कहता है कि मौत आई तो मर जाऊंगा? कौन कहता है कि मौत आई तो मर जाऊंगा? मैं तो दरिया हूँ समंदर में उतर जाऊंगा। जिंदगी शम्मा की मानिंद जलाता हूँ नदीम। जिंदगी शम्मा की मानिंद जलाता हूँ नदीम। बुझ तो जाऊंगा मगर सुबह तो गर जाऊंगा। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आई एम उबैद खान and today I am with new video about legacy. And I think most of the people don't know about what basically legacy is. So let me tell you about the definition that legacy is when you will leave this world, when you will leave this world, what legacy would you leave behind? And legacy means what is that good thing or bad thing, what is that famous thing or notorious thing, what is that qualitative thing or quantitative stuff which you will leave behind, and the people with that name will remember you. This is what basically is called legacy. And let me tell you interesting thing that legacy is when you are confident about yourself, when you are very genuine, very sincere and very honest to yourself, that it is only and only me who is responsible for the utilization of my time, that how I use my time, what is the best possible way to make my time in a good manner for the betterment and for the positive progress and prosperity of society. This is the thing which society demands us. And one important thing, that is the social values, the social rules, the social laws, constitutional laws may forgive us. They have that flexibility, but nature has never ever forgiven even a single person. So nature do not forgive. Nature laws are constant, are permanent from the very first day of the beginning of universe. And in the book The Pleasures of Philosophy, Will has profoundly quoted Aristotle. Aristotle says that if you want to observe something and you want to understand something very deeply, look at its beginning and its development. When you will properly understand the beginning and development of anything, no matter ideology, philosophy, theory, or no matter whatever that matter or stuff is, but when you will 100% understand its beginning and its development, then you will get every required and every possible information about that thing. So, and legacy is not about living and writing a lot of books. Legacy is not about living a history, a philosophy or theory. That in itself place is totally okay, but okay, for example, a person die and people remember that, oh, that person always decorated a beautiful smile on his or her face. The people will remember you for good things, not for bad things. And the history never forgive anyone. So do not confuse about legacy, that legacy is something rocket science. Not at all. Legacy is something that with which name people will remember you when you will die, when you will leave this world. Simple as that. This is simple legacy. So we should try our best to, at least, for example, if someone asks for something and we do not have that thing, and we decorate a beautiful cute smile on our face, believe me, this will be the most expensive and the most valuable gift in the life to that person. So if we do not have anything, at least we can smile, and the genuine and the sincere smiles leave very good impression on everyone's heart. So try to leave a beautiful legacy, a positive legacy, and enjoy life. Thank you so much.